it'd be funny if Apple released a phone that was faster than every single other phone in the market, and then almost a year later, Samsung releases a brand new phone with a new processor and everything, and it's not faster than the phone from Apple that was released a year ago. Yeah, because the iPhone 10 isn't as fast as the Galaxy Note 9. What's up guys, my name is Benj and welcome to This Week at Apple. This is episode 1. Buckle your seatbelts, we've got some pretty good Apple news in today's episode. So, let's get on with the news. Apple apparently is delaying the new iPhones this year because of a computer virus that has basically taken over TSMC. Yeah, it's not good. So basically, if you didn't know, TSMC are the company that make Apple's processors, so like the A10 Fusion, the A11 Bionic, and they'll be making the A12 chips for the new iPhones this year. Apparently there's been a delay in production because of an actual virus that has spread around TSMC, the company that makes Apple's processors. Like, how did this even happen? Samsung, have you done something? So worst case scenario is the new iPhones may be delayed by a couple of weeks. Maybe there won't be as many available on launch day, but I don't think this is going to be a major issue. I think they'll probably be able to fix this way sooner than what they said. So hopefully they resolve this and we can get all of our iPhones on launch day without having to wait 4 months to get it, just like we did with the iPhone 10. Anyway, moving on. So Apple has had another issue with the MacBook Pros that came out a few weeks ago. Yeah, they're broken again. So this new issue that has come out is in regards to the speakers on the MacBook Pros. Apparently they're not performing as they should. So basically the issues the MacBook Pros are having right now are of course because of the speakers, and apparently there's like horrible crackling noises during audio playback. Like on YouTube there's a bunch of different videos showing this. So basically they have kind of narrowed down the issue, and apparently it's an issue with the lack of shielding in the audio drivers and also the T2 chip, which is Apple's main audio chip in the MacBook Pros. So this isn't the first time this actually happens. It has happened before with the 2016 MacBook Pros. So I mean, it's not gonna affect everybody. This has actually affected a few users, not everyone. So hopefully if you bought a 2018 MacBook Pro, you won't have any of these issues, because if you do, then I'd recommend contacting Apple and talking them into giving you a replacement. Oh man, and this last story will trigger you Samsung fans. But apparently, the Galaxy Note 9 benchmarks aren't as good as the almost a year old iPhone 10. I mean, that's crazy. Like, the iPhone 10 came out like a year ago with the A11 Bionic chip, and then Samsung has the Snapdragon 845 in their phones or whatever it is, and it's not as fast as Apple's processor. Like, they released a phone that's meant to compete with the iPhone 10, and it's not as fast as the iPhone 10. Like, it should be faster, because the iPhone 11 is coming out next month, and it's gonna destroy the Snapdragon 845, unfortunately for Samsung. Now, of course, some people have said that it's because they're using the Snapdragon 845, and every other Android smartphone that came out this year has it, at least the main flagships do. And I mean, why doesn't Samsung just use their Exynos processors? They're just way better than the Snapdragons. I heard it's like a problem with the manufacturers of the Snapdragon chip or whatever. They have like some special contract, but like, pay yourself out of it. I mean, why use processors that every single other smartphone on the market uses? Just make your own chips, like Apple. Look at what Apple are making. They're making the fastest processors in a smartphone or in a mobile device on the planet at the moment. Samsung, you gotta up your game with the processors. This is an Apple show though, so yeah, congratulations Apple for making a processor that is faster than all the phones that are coming out this year. And I'm sure the iPhone 11 and 11 Plus and of course the iPhone 9 will just destroy the Pixel and other phones that are coming this year. So good job, Apple. Keep doing what you're doing and make your processors even faster and even better, and you'll get to 2 trillion in no time. So there you go, guys. That was the show. If you did enjoy it, be sure to let me know by smashing that like button down below. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think about the series. Is there anything I can improve on? Let me know in the comment section below. And of course, if you are new to the channel and you haven't already, I upload videos every single week, including once a week. I upload a brand new episode of This Week at Apple. This Week at Apple, not this week. This Week at Apple, I upload once a week. So don't forget to subscribe, smash that subscribe button, and also don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll be notified every time I do upload a video. You can get to my videos early and you won't miss an upload. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter, as I do hang a lot around there, and I also do stream on Twitch. I stream Fortnite and all that kind of stuff. Links are all down below. Yeah, that's enough rambling on. I'll catch you guys in the very next video.